Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to be teaching you the difference between RPM and CPM because many of you have been confused about CPM and RPM. But in this video I'm going to analyze it for you. You are going to know about it and you are going to know how to calculate it. So let's go there. So talking about CPM actually means cost per mile. And cost per mile is equal to advertiser side. That is the money advertisers actually pay to YouTube for every 1000 views that is being shown on a particular video. And the Latin word for 1000 is called mile. That's why you're seeing mile there. So moving on to the next side. For example, now let's say a golden penny company reached out to YouTube to place an advert on a particular video and they are to pay $15 to YouTube. That $15 is the CPM, meaning for every 1000 times their ad show on any video, Golden Penny will pay $15 to YouTube. So CPM is actually between the creator, no, not the creator, the advertisers, and YouTube itself. But now the key point is you don't get this money. This money actually belongs to YouTube. So YouTube will keep 55% of this money because CPM is between uh, you know advertisers and YouTube. So it's not between creator. This one is actually between advertisers and YouTube. So from here now we'll be going to RPM. Let's see. RPM now. On the side of RPM is what? Revenue per mile, which is equal to creator side, meaning this one actually is on the side of the creator, that is the YouTuber, the one that is creating the content. So RPM is how much you actually earn for every total 1000 views on a video, on a particular video that you post. So now the formula for this RPM is what? Let's go. The formula for RPM is YouTube ad revenue divided by total view, then multiply by 1000. This is how to calculate your RPM. And this RPM, it varies. It depends on the geography of your viewers, the country of the people that are viewing your video. If you are viewing from a country with that is poor, it can be less, it can be more. So for example, your video gets 10,000 views. YouTube shows ads worth $50 on that particular video that gets 10,000 views. Now YouTube will keep $27.50 from that 50 dollar, and they will give you $22.50. So the thing is, the money YouTube is making from advertisers is being shared between them and the creators. So the money actually is not coming from YouTube's account, it's coming from advertisers, and they are distributing the money between themselves and the creators. So that is how it is. That's the difference between CPM and RPM. You understand? So this is a way you can also calculate it to know your RPM. Your RPM 22. Once they give you that what is it called, $22.50 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 1000, it will give you what? $2.25, meaning depending on your location, your viewers location, you can get $2 per 1k views. That's what it means. So why RPM is always lower is because not all 1000 viewers get ads. Some viewers use ad blocks, some skip ads, some are from low paying countries. Like I said earlier, it is the country that varies, that matters actually. there are some countries, if your viewers are from countries like UK, US, your RPM will be way, 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 way higher than what is being shown. Like I think people from the US, their RPM should be around $5 to $6 per 1,000 views. And if you are from a country that has low this thing, low pay, your RPM can be between $1 to $2. So that's how it is. That's the difference. So thank you for watching this video. Try to come by and get more of this. And I'd like you to also subscribe, like, and share this video to people who have not seen it for them to see it. Thank you. This is Easy Wealth.